Hey boys and girls, today we're going to be working on our place value and understanding the terms tens and ones. So today we're going to actually do the backwards of what we did yesterday. Yesterday you told me what numbers mean. Yesterday you told me, what does 23 mean? 23 means two groups of 10 and 3 ones. Well, today we're going to do the reverse. I'm going to tell you how many tens and how many ones, and you're going to tell me what number that is. Now, for some of us, we may need to use some tools to help us or some illustrations to help us, and some of you may not. It is totally your choice. So today, let's get started. All right, first you see we have 1, 10, and 3 ones. We're trying to figure out what does that number mean. What does 1, 10, and 3 ones, what number is that? So I can think about that in my brain, or I can use illustrations or drawings to help me figure that out. I am actually going to use some illustrations to help me figure that out. So what is 110? Well, 110 would be one group of 10, a rod. You can draw it like this, or you can draw it like this, whichever way you choose, as long as you know that that's 110. And then we need 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there is 110 and 3 ones. Are we done yet? Is the number 110, 3 ones? Is that a number? No, we have to count that to make sure what number we have. So we're going to count this as a 10 because that's what it is. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So what number did we count? We counted the number 13. Now, I'm going to check that just to make sure. Our number says 110. Do we have a 1 in the tens place? Yes. Check. My number says 3 ones. Do I have a 3 in the tens place? Yes. Let's check it. Check. Awesome. Let's try another one. I'm going to use a different color because I think that color is a little hard to see. Let's try the next one. The next one says 4 tens and 1 1. Now I'm going to draw that out to help me. I'm going to draw 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to check it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And 1 1. Okay? Am I done? 4 tens, 1 1? Is that the number? No, I need to count it. I need to count it to make sure it's correct. So let's count it to figure out what our number is. 10, because these are tens, I'm going to count them as 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm going to switch to counting by tens, by ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. So I counted the number 41. Now I'm going to check that just to make sure. It says that I have a 4 in the tens place. Do I? Absolutely. Check. It says that I have a 1 in the ones place. Do I? Yep. Check. So, correct. So, now let's look at our last one. Try to think about it. What am I going to do first? Oh, yeah. I'm going to illustrate or draw the tens. How many tens am I going to have? 2. So, let's draw 2 tens. 1, 2. 1, 2. Check. Now it says I have 6 ones. So I'm going to draw 6 ones. Nice and juicy. Now I'm going to check. Make sure you did 6 and not 7 or not 5. You want 6. So check to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Check. Okay, am I done? Is that my answer? No, I have to count it to figure out what is the number. So I'm going to count it. 10, because these are tens. 20, 34. No, Miss Castle, those are ones. So I need to switch my counting. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So I have the number 26. Now I need to check it just to make sure it is 26. So this number says I have 2 tens. Do I have a 2 in the tens place? Absolutely. This number says I have 6 ones. Do I have a 6 in the ones place? Yes, good job. Now you're going to try to do this on your own. If you need to watch the video again to help you, please do so. Good luck.